Hi, I'm Zach Quinn with Quality Craftsmen. Welcome. I'm glad you're taking an opportunity to look at this. I want to share with you an invitation to look at Quality Craftsmen as a potential employer, tell you a little bit about our culture and what it's like to be a team member within the Quality Craftsmen family. We are all about having a family value system, and we're all about building a culture of helping other people. So welcome aboard. I'm excited for you to look at this. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tim Willingham. I'm Director of Production for Quality Craftsmen. I've been with the company over 8 years, and I have known the Quinns for over 20 years. We were a very traditional contractor, very family-oriented. We have now grown into a much larger contractor, still very family-oriented. And you can expect that if you were to join us today, that the company you're with a year from now, or 5 years from now, or 10 years from now will not be the same.
Hi, I'm Chris with Quality Craftsmen. I'm the production manager here in the Orlando location, and I love working for Quality Craftsmen because they definitely make a difference in people's lives and the homes that they live in. One of the things that I really enjoy about Quality Craftsmen is that they're a family-owned business, and they definitely instill the values that I feel are important, not only here in the workplace, but in our workspaces in your home. Your home is very important to us, and we enjoy helping you, making it wonderful.
Hi, I'm John. I'm with Quality Craftsmen, one of the production managers for the Renovation program. We have a beautiful program rolling out. We enjoy doing what we do. I enjoy what we do, and I love helping people transform and make their new kitchen to what they always dreamed of.
Hi, I'm Ken Ratliff with Quality Craftsmen. Been with the company for going on a year. I really enjoy working here because I actually make a difference in people's lives. I mean, I'm providing something that they actually want, or in some cases need. In a lot of cases, it's both. And, we're going in sometimes. The bathroom's in rough shape, it's old. We're giving them a new solution that's going to be a permanent solution, and it really makes a big difference in their lives. And I really enjoy being able to take care of folks.
Hey guys, I'm Noah Judkins. I work for Quality Craftsmen, and the bathroom is an area that can be overlooked inside of a home. A couple of us are fortunate to have multiple bathrooms in their house, and I just want to tell a quick company story. I was able to help someone with a bathroom inside of their house. She had a mobile home, and her bathroom was falling through the floor. Her and her 2 children and her grandchildren were showering in the kitchen sink, and she needed a bathroom so bad. She didn't want a handyman that would slap something together. She wanted a quality company to work for us, and I was able to provide her a new shower confidently, and it was one of my favorite stories that I get to tell people about. And she calls me and texts me at least once a week to this day, thanking me for the work that we were able to do for her. And that's one of the best things about working at a good company that does a great job. I was confidently able to help her fix her situation, and because a lot of us in our bathroom 1 or 2 times a day, and her and her kids were in that kitchen sink 1 or 2 times a day, and she finally has a good working shower, and it feels great every single time she reaches out to me saying thank you. And that's one of the reasons I love working here and making a difference in people's lives.
Hi, I'm Ellie Skipper. I've been with Quality Craftsmen for a little over a year. Love to help make a positive impact on people's lives. Just recently, I met with wonderful customers who unfortunately were no longer able to utilize their current bathroom space for showering because it could no longer accommodate a wheelchair. Took the time to lay out lots of different product offerings and look at some accessibility options for their shower. Designed a custom shower space featuring very nice light onyx walls and an onyx ramped pan. Demoed out a pony wall, added some safety grab bars, and now they have a wonderful home and shower space that they're able to utilize.
My name is Lori Cornelius, and I'm an accounts receivable with Quality Craftsmen. At Quality Craftsmen, we strive to help the customer in every way possible. We want you to be ecstatic with the job that we've done. We want you to enjoy it and be happy with the changes we've made to your home. So in accounts receivable, I get a lot of questions from customers, different situations. One that comes to mind is a customer that used their shower before they were supposed to because the caulk had not dried. So they called me because they were upset because the caulk was peeling, and I worked with production, and they generated a service call. So we had the problem corrected within about 48 hours. So things like that make me happy because I enjoy helping customers and helping them to get everything out of the product that they've received.
I don't think there's anything that people don't know about Quality Craftsmen. We are very transparent, we're open, book company if you may, for lack of better words. I always tell my customers, I strive for transparency with you. I want to be nothing but clear and honest with everyone, and I feel that's what Quality Craftsmen is, an honest company.
What I love working for Quality Craftsmen about, everyone's super great to work with, but to be honest, my favorite part is when I see the smile on a customer's face who just improved their house. Whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom, they always love it at the end of the day. It's improving their life. Some people, they live in rough conditions, and once it's all finished and done, they have a safe step into their shower. They'll have grab bars that they can hold on to. As you get older, you never know what you need, and we're there to help you. So we just rolled out our cabinet refacing program. We've been doing it for about 5 years now, but we just rolled it up in Atlanta. It's a great thing. It saves you a ton of money in your kitchen versus a whole remodel. We'll just do a quick reface, in and out, cheaper, much better, and you always have it in hand.